Welcome to the Virtue Pro channel, Health is Wealth. Virtue Pro is here to help you on your journey to wellness. Stay to the end, you don't want to miss life-changing tips and a free recipe. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic: the 25 best foods that could help prevent cancer. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Globally, it's estimated that around 9.7 million people die from cancer each year. If you are like me, you have lost someone you love to cancer. I am sorry about your loss. But what if we can help keep our loved ones from losing us to that terrible disease? What if we can potentially help our loved ones from become a victim of cancer? I want to help prevent people from potentially getting cancer. Now remember, this isn't about miracle cures or replacing medical advice. It's about empowering you with knowledge about foods that, when incorporated into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, can play a role in cancer prevention. We're going to explore the science behind these foods and how their unique properties can benefit your health. From powerful antioxidants to cancer-fighting compounds, you'll be amazed by what nature has to offer. So buckle up, grab your grocery list, and get ready to discover the top 25 foods that could help you stay one step ahead in the fight against cancer. Let's get started. First up, we have broccoli, a true superhero in the world of vegetables. What makes broccoli so special? It's all thanks to a compound called sulforaphane. Studies have shown that sulforaphane can actually reduce the size and number of cancer cells, making it a powerful ally in cancer prevention. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab a head of broccoli. Berries are like nature's candy, but with an extra dose of health benefits. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, which are like little warriors fighting off damage to your cells. Antioxidants help protect your cells from harmful free radicals, which can contribute to cancer development. So enjoy a handful of berries daily for a delicious and protective boost. Tomatoes, especially cooked tomatoes, are a fantastic source of lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. Research suggests that lycopene may be particularly beneficial in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. So add some tomatoes to your next salad, sauce, or sandwich for a healthy dose of lycopene. Garlic, with its pungent aroma and flavor, is a staple in many cuisines worldwide. But did you know that garlic also contains a compound called allicin? Allicin has been shown to have incredible cancer-fighting properties. While more research is needed, the initial findings on garlic's potential are exciting. Turmeric, the golden spice often used in Indian cuisine, is gaining popularity for its incredible health benefits. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. These properties make turmeric a promising food for potentially reducing cancer risk and supporting overall health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses. They're bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health. These nutrients work together to protect your cells from damage and may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. You might be surprised to see carrots on this list, but these crunchy vegetables are packed with beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which plays a crucial role in cell growth and development. Some studies suggest that a diet rich in beta-carotene may be linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a heart-healthy and potentially cancer-protective snack. Whether you prefer almonds, walnuts, or pecans, incorporating a variety of nuts into your diet can provide numerous health benefits. Beans are an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health and may play a role in cancer prevention. They're also packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that can help protect your cells from damage. Citrus fruits, like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are well known for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the immune system and protect cells from damage. Some studies suggest that a diet rich in citrus fruits may be associated with a lower risk of certain cancers. Flax seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. Lignans are plant compounds that have antioxidant properties and may have anti-cancer effects. Green tea is renowned for its health benefits, and its potential role in cancer prevention is no exception. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Enjoy a cup or two of green tea daily to reap its potential benefits. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. A diet rich in whole grains has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. The old adage, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," might hold some truth, especially regarding cancer prevention. Apples are a good source of fiber and contain antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin. These nutrients may help protect cells from damage and contribute to overall health. Grapes, especially red grapes, contain a compound called resveratrol, which is found in the skin of the grapes. Resveratrol has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and has shown promising results in laboratory studies on cancer cells. Pomegranates are known for their sweet and tart flavor, but they're also packed with antioxidants, even more than green tea and red wine. These antioxidants may help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, potentially lowering cancer risk. Mushrooms are a unique type of fungi that offer a range of health benefits. They contain compounds that can help boost the immune system, which plays a crucial role in fighting off cancer cells. Some varieties, like shiitake and maitake mushrooms, are particularly valued for their potential anti-cancer properties. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They're an excellent source of beta-carotene, which, as we learned earlier, is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for cell growth and development and may play a role in cancer prevention. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is renowned for its health benefits. It's rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Extra virgin olive oil, the least processed form, is particularly high in antioxidants. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your diet weekly. Soy products like tofu tempeh and edamame contain compounds called isoflavones. Isoflavones have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly hormone-related cancers. However, it's essential to consume soy in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that avocados may have potential cancer protective properties. Peppers, especially bell peppers, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're particularly high in vitamin C, which we know is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect cells from damage. So, add some color and flavor to your meals with a variety of peppers. Onions, often used as a base for savory dishes, offer more than just flavor. They contain compounds like quercetin and organosulfur compounds, which have been linked to potential cancer protective effects. Whether you prefer red, yellow, or white onions, incorporating them into your diet can provide health benefits. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, with at least 70% cocoa, is rich in antioxidants called flavonoids. Flavonoids have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, and some studies suggest that they may play a role in cancer prevention. Enjoy dark chocolate in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share to your friends and family. Together, let's help get the word out about how one can consume foods that will potentially help prevent cancer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Remember, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can contribute to your overall well-being. Smoothies are a great way to incorporate these healthy foods in your diet. Check the description box for a free recipe for a smoothie. Also, check out the affiliate link to join a smoothie diet program. It's important to note that while these foods show promise in potentially reducing cancer risk, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor for personalized guidance on cancer prevention and treatment. Stay healthy and see you next time.